It's Patrick at Pals. Jeeps. They're great on and off-road vehicles. They're great if you're on the road. They're great if you're off the road. But they can have problems with their differentials and the seals for the axles. And that's what this one's got. It's got a problem with the wheel seals. The axle seals are leaking. And the axle seals have destroyed the rear brakes. So now we're taking it apart to put in new axle seals. When we got it apart this far, we found that the bolts had completely seized. So what we have to do is we have to use a torch to get the bolts out, and then we have to replace the bolts with new bolts. And of course new seals, and then this Jeep will be ready to go down the road. Now, if you look at the differential, see how dark that is? It shouldn't be that dark. That means that that fluid has oxidized and it needs to be replaced. If you don't replace this fluid in a timely fashion, you'll ruin your carrier and your ring and pinion gear. We see a lot of these. We do 2 a month. If you have a rear wheel drive, make sure that you service the differentials in them. Otherwise you can run into big dollar problems. If you have a Jeep, bring it to Pals. See you soon.